Hi everyone, let's learn about eczema. First, we'll look at the etiology of eczema. Introduction of eczema. What can be happen either due to IgE class autoantibodies is developed mainly against intracellular proteins. The molecular characteristics of IgE binding autoantigens unravel when these components are cloned, which are cDNAs encoding autoallergens, human aspiration cDNA library, and serum IgE. Or eczema can be happen due to IgG class autoantibodies may develop, especially anti-nuclear antibodies. One of the nuclear autoantigens was identified as GFS70. Next, mechanism as proof of relation between eczema and autoimmune response. First, it happens when the body's natural defense system can tell the difference between your own cells and foreign cells, causing the body to mistakenly attack normal cells. Second, a breakdown in this regulation can lead to activation of self-reactive clones of T or B cells, which generate humoral immunity or cell-mediated immunity responses against self-antigens. Third is losing its sense of self and non-self recognition. Instead of reacting against foreign antigens, it attacks on self-antigens too. Next, we talk about potential causes of eczema. Potential causes of eczema are factors that cause the skin to become dry, genetic factors, immune system dysfunction, and trigger factors. Examples of trigger factors irritate the skin include soap, dust and sand, perfumes, makeup, and chlorine. Allergens such as dust mites, pollen, molds, or foods. The pathophysiology of eczema. Next, the symptoms of eczema. Symptoms of eczema are different in infants, children, and adults. Infants have red and scaly skin on their cheeks and front of their arms and legs. For children and adults, they will have itchy and red rashes at their body parts, which are knees, elbow creases, and back of the neck. They may also have flaky skin and small bumps. People can also have a cracked skin and dark patch on the itchy area if they scratch it. Next is about stages of eczema. First is acute stage. It is the initial phase of eczema. Itching and rashes starts to appear, severe and intense. Second is subacute stage. It is less severe, rashes become dry, flaky, scaly, and cracked skin. If lasts long, it may become chronic. The third stage is chronic stage. It is the long-lasting flares of eczema. It has its own quite severe symptoms, which are thickening, discoloring, itching, excoriations, and cracks on skin. Next, about how eczema is diagnosed. There is no specific test to diagnose eczema. The doctors have to examine patient's skin and evaluate it whether it is eczema or another skin condition. Seborrheic dermatitis, scabies, and contact dermatitis often mimic eczema.
Next, we talk about the management of the eczema. So first is medical management. The use of prebiotics and probiotics, and mostly lactobacillus rhamnosus that have anti-allergic and anti-inflammatory properties. Probiotic contained in supplement, so the patient can simply consume in the form of supplement. Probiotic also present naturally in foods like yogurt and tempeh. Second, nutrition and lifestyle management. Some of the anti-inflammatory diet include plenty of vegetables and fruits that contain vitamin K will reduce the inflammation. Next, whole grains that high in fiber, fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, and healthy fats such as olive oil. For Mediterranean diet, eat rich in plant foods and lower in animal food. Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D have a regulatory influence on both the immune system and skin barrier function, like sufficient development of innate immunity factors, and essential regarding susceptibility to cutaneous bacterial and viral infection. For the last part is diet suggestion. Breastfeeding babies during first 3 months of life. Breast milk contains compounds like alpha-tocopherol, beta-tocopherol, and prolactin that will degrade inflammatory compounds, increase immune function, decrease sensitivity of infants, and make less likely to develop eczema. Second, eat plenty of fatty fish in our daily diet. For example, salmon and herring that is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory. Fish oil supplement can help to get enough omega-3, and the main are EPA and DHA. It is recommended that to get at least 250 mg of omega-3 fatty acids daily from food. Third, choose food that contain quercetin. This includes fruits and vegetables. It is also a powerful antioxidant that helps to reduce inflammation and allergy symptoms, and also antihistamine, reduce inflammation as well as levels of histamine in your body, and also helping your body combat free radical damage. Next, get yourself food-rich in probiotics. These are examples of food-rich in probiotics. It contains live cultures that help support a strong immune system and help reduce flare-ups or allergic reactions. Lastly, avoid eating these types of foods. Avoid from eating eggs, tomatoes, peanuts, and wheat. Do not eat high fructose corn syrup, MSG, artificial colorant, because those can upset digestive and immune system and also triggering inflammation. Other than that, prevent from eating processed foods, as it can cause insulin and blood sugar levels to spike, which can result in inflammation. These are some of the references that we use in our project. Thank you for watching.